Learn with Jingle Kids.
Hey kids, welcome back to Jingle Kids India for a fun-filled alphabet adventure. This is episode 2 of letter D. Last time we learned D is for dog, D is for doll, D is for duck, D is for daisy, and D is for door. Now let's begin our letter D adventure. Let's start by learning few more D words. D for dolphin. Can you say this with me? D for dolphin. D for dolphin.
D for donkey. What does a donkey say? Hee-haw, hee-haw. D for donkey. Well done. D for donkey.
D for donut. We all love donut, isn't it? D for donut. Say this with me. D for donut. D for donut. D for diaper. We all used to wear diaper when we were babies. Say this with me. D for diaper. D for diaper. D for dinosaur. Say this with me. D for dinosaur. D for dinosaur. D for diamond. Let's say this together. D for diamond. D for diamond. D for dustbin. Let's say together. D for dustbin. D for dustbin. D for dove. Let's say together. D for dove. D for dove. D for dance. Can you say this with me? D for dance. D for dance. D for daddy. Can you say this with me? D for daddy. D for daddy. Let's play a scavenger hunt now. Can you find something in your house that starts with the letter D? I'll give you a hint. Look for a dish or a duster or ask your daddy to show you a debit card. Pause the video and go find one item starting with the letter D. Did you find something? Well done! Great job, kids! See you next time for more alphabet fun. Till then, bye!
Learn with Jingle Kids.